So today I wanted to share a grounding exercise that uses visualization of a tree. So let's get started. So take a comfortable seat, or you can do this one standing, which kind of helps with the tree metaphor. Either way, feel your feet flat on the ground and take a comfortable upright posture. And take a moment to bring attention to your breathing. Just taking one inhale and an exhale. And now bring your attention to your feet. And we're going to use this visualization of a tree and pretending for a moment that your feet are the root of the tree, the base of the tree, growing roots down into the earth. And you can close your eyes if that helps with the visualization, or you can keep them open if that's not comfortable for you. But envisioning roots growing down from your feet through the floor or the earth, and just reaching down and feeling your feet more and more firmly rooted. And not in a trapped way, but a secure, safe, comforting way, just grounding you to the earth. And now bringing your attention up through your legs, through your core, and through your chest, envisioning your body like the trunk of the tree, growing up from the roots, and sitting or standing tall, strong. And now imagining that your arms and hands and fingers are like branches. And your head is the top of the tree lifting towards the sky. Taking a moment to take a breath, feeling it go in through your head and then down through your body all the way to the roots. And then if you'd like, you can exhale kind of back out. So back up from your feet, through your trunk, and out through your head. Take a couple breaths like this, breathing through your whole body, just imagining yourself as this lovely tree rooted in the earth, reaching up to the sky. And if you think about a tree enduring all kinds of weather and changing through the seasons, envision yourself doing that too. So whatever the weather is like, or changes are happening around you or in you, you're still sitting tall and rooted and secure. Just breathing and being. So take another breath, imagining yourself as this tree. And then when you exhale, let that image go and see yourself now as a person, sitting or standing, just breathing. Notice if you feel any different than you did at the beginning of the exercise. And then remember, you can take this image of the tree and that feeling of being grounded and safe and secure. You can take that feeling with you and bring it up wherever you go, whenever you need to. Thank you for doing this exercise with me. Take care.